Hey everyone, it's Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off private browsing mode on your iPhone. If you've ever used private browsing mode, you know that is a great way to keep your browsing history and data private. However, if you ever want to switch back to regular browsing mode, it's pretty easy to do so. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is open up Safari on your iPhone. If you're currently in a private browsing mode, you'll notice that the URL at the bottom of the screen is displayed in a dark colour with white lettering. This indicates that you're in a private browsing mode and your browsing data is not being saved. To switch back to regular browsing mode, tap on the two squares at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This will bring up a smaller image of the website you were on, and at the bottom centre of the screen you'll see the word private. To exit private browser mode, you'll want to close the private browser window first. You can do this by pressing on the little X at the top right hand corner of the screen, or swiping to the window to the left. Once you've closed the private browsing window, tap on the private button here at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a menu that says private, with a dark check mark next to it. To switch back to the regular browsing mode, tap on the start page. Now you can browse the web as you normally would, and your browser data will be saved. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech videos. Like this video, and thanks for watching.